Hello, this is Mary with Mango Math, and this is a third grade lesson on getting students to know their facts. So we're just using a deck of cards to help the kids with their practice, and they are going to mark off those facts that they know on this grid that they have provided for them. So once they've mastered, let's say they've mastered the one times the number, they're just going to cover that up and mark it off. And if they've mastered the twos, they'll cover out the twos. So I want eventually for the students to understand that they are learning lots of facts and they have a lot of them mastered already. And then they can eventually get down to the few that they don't know. But using the cards is a really great way to get kids to practice their math facts. So you're just going to lay one card that they're going to work on. These are going to be your multiples of 2. So they're going to do 2 times 8 and say 16, 2 times 7. Let's say they don't remember what 2 times 7 is. They can set the 7 up. And what's nice is in a deck of cards, they have each card 4 times. So they get to practice again. So if you tell them that that's 14, then when they see it again, hopefully they'll remember that's 14. And then 2 times 6 and so forth. So they just keep going through the deck of cards, multiplying the one number times every other number that's in the deck. If they are struggling on certain facts like their 7s or 8s, you can take those out of the deck and just really work on the ones that they know and get very fluid with those ones and then add these other ones in later. But we work on one number at a time. So work on 2s, and I have it in the worksheet that is provided. Starts with 0 and 1s, then work on your 2s, then go to 10s, then go to 5s, work on 3s, 4s, and 9s. And they all have strategies to them. And like I said, then we get those all learned and they start to quickly realize that there's only a few that if they've got the 3s down and they learn the 4s, which are doubles, and they've got the 5s and 10s, you start to see that the ones that they don't know become this little circle right here, and they start to then work on mastery of those. There's strategies for 9s, so then their circle becomes even smaller. So we get the kids to realize that they really have mastered the majority of them, and they just have to work on a few. So enjoy.